Hey, how's it going? This is Zidane here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your laptop keyboard issues on Windows, just in few steps. Welcome back. Today we'll dive into some essential tips to troubleshooting and fix common laptop keyboard issues on Windows, whether 10, 8, 7 or on Windows. If you have been experiencing unresponsive keys and other problems, stick around for these solutions that we provide you. First of all, you check your hardware. Start by checking the keyboard cable connectors for proper placement. Ensure it's securely connected to avoid any hardware before we start the fix. Fix number 2, we move on to the software solution. We suggest that you run a full software update just by heading into settings within your Windows. Next, you head on to Windows Update, and from here you check for updates. Hit updates. If there is any update for the drivers or any missing software, then it will be recommended or installed. If this hasn't worked, let's move on to fix number 3, which is driver reinstallation. If problems persist, let's reinstall keyboard drivers via Device Manager. To do so, just head on to Windows, star icon, right click on it and hit Device Manager. Find it in here. This will open the Device Manager. Scroll down until you find the keyboards, as you can see it in here. It's in here, and that's the external keyboard, and this is your internal keyboard. So make sure you are selecting the appropriate one, otherwise unplug the external keyboard. Great. Next, right click on it and hit uninstall device. After uninstalling this device, you just hit restart your system. Restart your computer and Windows will auto install the drivers and fix any issues which are being encountered. If you're still experiencing the same issue again, then let's move on to the next fix, which is the ease of access settings, and you need to check the ease of access settings for additional troubleshootings. To do so, just head on to the start menu again and hit settings. From settings, you scroll down and hit accessibility. Great. Next, you search for keyboard, which is at the bottom in here. Great. Select it and make sure you hit on and off, toggle them on and off. If it is off, then turn it on, or if it is on, just turn it off, and this may fix the keyboard as it may activate the keys again. This simple step can often resolve software related glitches. Let's move on to fix number 5, which is the Synaptics driver. If you have the Synaptics driver, uninstall it. To do so, and head on to Device Manager from the right bottom, as we have seen before. Just hit it, and here if you have the Synaptics driver, search for it. If you find it within this list, just select it and hit uninstall, as we have seen before. So right click on it and uninstall. Here it is not installed into our system, so if you find it in your system, you just do the same, which is select it and hit uninstall. Next, you restart your computer and Windows will automatically install an older, more compatible version for your system. And finally, if all else fails, consider replacing the keyboard. Ensure the replacement matches your laptop specifications and seek professional help if needed. And in the meantime, use an external USB keyboard. That will be a great solution until you fix your integrated one. And there you have it, folks. Troubleshooting your laptop keyboard on Windows. I hope these tips help you get your keyboard back in action. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with anyone facing similar issues, and subscribe for more tech support videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. This is your host Zidane. Peace.